Hi everyone, my name is Pinal Dave. Welcome to my course Capturing Logic with Stored Procedures in MariaDB. I'm a SQL performance expert at SQLauthority.com. MariaDB is the world's most widely used free and open source database. This course gives you a comprehensive view of major component of stored procedures in MariaDB. And this course requires no prior experience with database. Some of the major topics we will cover include getting started with stored procedures, applying parameters in stored procedures, returning information from stored procedure, and finally we will sum this all up in a summary module. Many of the module contains additional learning resources to strengthen the further learning. By the end of this course, you will have a solid foundation to get started with capturing logic with stored procedures. I hope you will join me in this journey to learn MariaDB with the capturing logic with stored procedures in MariaDB course at Pluralsight.